There is a very simple trick to remove acne or dark spots using GIMP. So let's see how to do this. Import an image and resize it according to the size of the canvas. Zoom in to clearly see all the acne marks on the image. For removing any acne or dark spots from any image, the best tool is Healing Tool. So let's see how to use Healing Tool. The shortcut key for Healing Tool is H. Now click Healing Tool. Keep the size of the Healing Tool similar to the size of the spots. Press Ctrl key on the area with the clear skin. Now move the mouse to the area with the acne spots and click the mouse. Continue clicking over the acne area till all of them are completely removed. You have to resize the brush according to the size of the acne. Now you can see a great difference between both the images. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, do like, subscribe and share with your dear ones. We'll see you again with some more updates. Till then, bye.